IMAGINiT helped us with implementing Autodesk Vault, which gave us more accurate data and allowing for better downstream automation processes. This implementation helped us ensure that we had all of the engineering data at the fingertips of anyone in engineering or manufacturing at all times. IMAGINiT helped us with developing an application that we can select a top-level assembly drawing in Vault, and it will send that assembly drawing to a job processor that then will bundle all of the related subcomponent drawings together into a single PDF so that the engineer does not have to go through and dig and print individual drawings or build packages of drawings. IMAGINiT has been a key partner in the implementation of our Fusion Manage project, which allows us to sync our Vault data with the Fusion Manage PLM platform, also allowing us to sync data into NetSuite, our ERP system, using the IMAGINiT Pulse system. There is no manual entry or errors in manual entry between changes that occur, and the ERP system is always updated with the latest changes. It's really a time savings for engineering, being able to do engineering tasks instead of clerical tasks.